All right, from our friends at Zero Odor, we've got the laundry odor eliminator. First and foremost, reason I picked this up is we actually have two dogs, and sometimes their blankets and the things that they lay on can sometimes just smell like dog, like wet dog. And sometimes running it through the washing machine doesn't always eliminate that odor. That's where this bad boy comes in, and we absolutely love it. A couple ounces of this with some of those loads of laundry that may have a little extra odor to them makes a world of difference. Whether it's us with dogs or whether you've got like towels that constantly don't smell right, things like that, check this out. It is really incredible. All you got to do, shake it, throw a couple ounces in there with your normal wash, and you should be good to go. It's almost like a Febreze that you just pour into your laundry as you go. So overall, if you happen to be one that washes a lot of clothes and it still has a funky scent afterwards, maybe smoke, maybe mildew, maybe dog like us, and you're looking for a way to get rid of it more consistently, check this out. It's by our friends at Zero Odor, and I think you're going to love it.